Folks, my name is Rich.White with Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to be showing you a Cardinal. It's a model number 3825, brand new 2017. Has full body paint, beautiful coach. We're going to go inside, take a look at some of the features inside, and then we'll return to the outside. This is a front living coach. You've got very nice galley here with a huge amount of counter space. This just came in, and I apologize for some of the items have not yet been put on. You've got great cabinet space, all of course LED lighting. One of the unique things is the pantry. Notice this is all solid wood. There's no fake wood, no particle board. It's all solid wood. Nice drawers. Another thing that is unique, it's got sealed burners on your grill top, which is really nice. Much easier to keep clean. You've got the convection microwave oven, also a gas oven. Solid counter surfaces. These are Hymac. Nice big stainless steel double sink. The dishwasher, huge amount of storage, big 18 cubic foot refrigerator, freezer, and whoever's spending time in the kitchen is going to love this. You've got a TV right here, so you've got entertainment while you're cooking. Slide out over here where your booth is, or where your table and chairs. Another thing you want to notice is it's got blackout shades. On all your windows. The windows open up real nicely, so you get real nice ventilation. Up in your living area, notice there's no carpet going up the steps. That's the spot that wears the quickest, and anything is carpeted stairs, so it's real nice solid wood there. Residential style furniture. You've got a nice big screen TV, your fireplace, two couches that both turn into beds, and then you've of course got your theater seating over here on this side. The coach comes equipped with two air conditioners, ceiling fan. Notice the lighting. It's got indirect lighting over the cabinets. Nice big shower. Huge shower with even a seat in the shower. You continue with your solid Hymac cabinet or countertops. Porcelain toilet. Place for linen. Your rain sensor fan control right here. Got a rain sensor fan up above. An exit out of the bedroom to the exterior. Nice king bed. Built-in Dyson vacuum cleaner. And you have either additional wardrobe space here, or it's plumbed for a washer and dryer. Stack washer and dryer. Nice big wardrobe back here with more cedar lined drawers down below here. Built in. And of course more over here on this side. You also, as we go back in, you've got your control panel right here. Electric awnings, of course. Your fuse panels all nicely concealed. Let's go ahead and take a look outside at some of the features outside. You're going to notice it's got toppers on all of your slides. As I said, huge electric awning, and I want you to notice the awnings are concealed in metal. It's going to make them last much, much longer. It's got full body paint, 6-point level up system on it. Great storage, battery disconnect. You've got a propane on each side of the coach. Got the Rich.White hitch pin system, which gives a much nicer pull. You don't have any slop in the hitch system. Very, very nice. Your level up control panel. LCI level up control panel is right here. Full automatic. Your other propane cylinder. Your docking station, water filter, winterized system, black water flush, outside shower. Everything is located real convenient right here. Your spare tire, you're not going to have to get underneath it to get to your spare tire. It's located right here in the belly for easy access. Beautiful paint. Notice again toppers on all of the slides. You never have too much storage, so you do have more storage underneath the forward part of the bed. Ladder to access your roof. All LED lighting on the inside and the outside. Another thing I want to mention is the roof is actually not a rubber roof, it's a TPO roof, which doesn't chalk as easy and just doesn't deteriorate like a rubber roof. Very, very nice roof system on it. Has the small receivers for a bike rack or a rack that you might want to put a generator or whatever you wanted to put back there. Your one awning goes all the way across your rear entry. And then you also have the door awning that covers your entry area. Alloy wheels. It's all aluminum bonded construction. Folks, it's a beautiful coach. We'd love to have you come out and take a look. We've got several more of them for you to look at. We're real proud to be selling the Cardinal built by Forest River. Thanks. Once again, my name is Rich.White with Guaranty RV.